Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your followers on Threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Tap Followers below your name at the top of the page. Here you can see a list of your followers. You can use the search bar at the top to search through your followers. You can remove a follower by tapping Remove to the right of their name. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.